How you doing, guys? Hope you're well. This week, elotes. Elote. I'm trying to talk to the people, dude. Can I talk to the people? Then I'll be quiet. I forgot where I was. Elotes, Mexican street food. What they do is they boil the corn, then they brush it with crema, mayonnaise, various spices, and they put it, and then they put cheese over it. So what I'm going to do is Elote Style Cauliflower, which is absolutely gorgeous. First time I did this, it was on Facebook and it got 40,000 views and it did pretty good. I was just testing it out, and I did Mexican cream sauce, grilled cauliflower, pickled onions, prosciutto, and it was delicious. Nice little starter. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to do a Elote style cauliflower, grilled cauliflower, pickled onions, jalapeno cream sauce, brushed over, cheese, oh, and some nice prosciutto. It's going to be good. It's my daughter telling me to shush, can you believe that? Anyway, slap a like on this video, subscribe, click that bell, you'll be doing me a favour, and sit back and enjoy. Thanks, guys. To make the pickled onions, thinly slice onion. Add red wine vinegar to a pan, followed by sugar, black peppercorns and lime juice. Bring to a light boil, now stir until the sugar has dissolved. Add the onions, bring to a light boil, now turn off the heat and put to one side for 10 minutes. This will make the onions nice and soft. After 10 minutes, drain and place in the fridge. Pickled onions are delicious and they will add a fantastic pop to the dish. Next, add jalapenos to a bowl. I'm using red, which I find more sweeter than green. Add olive oil, salt and pepper and mix. Transfer to a hot grill and cook for about 10 minutes. Turn the peppers to char on all sides. Remove core and seeds, transfer to a food processor, followed by yogurt, garlic, lime juice, and salt and pepper. Now blitz until smooth. Add sugar, check for seasoning, blitz, transfer to a bowl, cover and place in the fridge. Cauliflower. You can eat these beauties boiled, fried, roasted, steamed, pickled and raw, and they are absolutely delicious. Transfer cauliflower to a roasting tray, grab a pestle and mortar, add fennel seeds and grind. Add ground cumin and mix together. Next, add olive oil followed by ground fennel and cumin. Brush well and add to a hot grill.
All I'm after is char marks. Now placed in the oven and cook. So there you have it, that's my elotes with a twist. Thanks guys.